Hello everyone, it's me Suraj KC, and today I'm going to complete assignment 1 for BIT 362 Digital Forensic. And for this assignment, we have to complete two parts, part A and part B. The part A consists of different questions which we need to answer, and for part B, we need to do some practical problems. And for part A, there are five questions which you can see in the screens. And for question number one, it says that explain the legal processes to start a public case investigation. Describe the differences between the public and private investigation. For number two, it's explain what you will do to ensure the integrity of the digital evidence before it is transported to the lab. For number three is explore the forensic acquisition tools listed in the course book. Explore various digital forensic image format. And for question number four, it's discuss the options you have to copy the drive acquisition. For question number five, it's explain your plan to acquire the data while why will you choose a certain tool or method. Now I'm going to summarize the answer for these questions. The first rule of digital forensic is to preserve the original evidence. Now let's talk about the difference between the public investigator and private investigator. A public investigator refers to police officer and government agents, whereas a private investigator is exactly that, typically work privately for themselves or for a firm. There are difference between private investigator and public investigator, such as a private investigator do not have ready access to privileged government informations about most of us, nor do they always share investigative leads and similar intelligence with other investigators. A private investigator job statutes on alone does not imbue her with ability to carry firearms. A private investigator pay for their own equipment, whereas the public investigator doesn't have to pay for their own equipment, the equipment such as for radios, for computers, video cameras, automobiles, etc. Now for next questions, to ensure the integrity of digital evidence before it is transported to a lab, we need to follow different steps in collecting digital evidence. The different steps that could be considered are, we have to record each item collected as evidence. We have to record the details of the person who collected the evidence along with the data and time it was collected or recorded. And we have to write descriptions of the evidence in the documentations. As we know, the computers are getting more powerful day by day, so the field of the computer forensics must rapidly evolve. Previously, we had many computers forensic tool that were used to apply forensic techniques to the computer. Some of the forensic tools that are promising for today's computers are Auto Spy, FTK imagers, Window PowerShell, and Linux commands, and like Axways Forensic, Pro Discover Forensics, etc. And for this assignment, I will be using FTK Imager to complete my tasks. For the overview of FTK Imager, the forensic toolkit FTK Imager is a computer forensic investigation software package which was created by Access Data. Uh, for general, it examines a hard drive by searching for different information. And some of the advantages of using FTK images are, it has a simple user interface and advanced searching capabilities. It produces a case log file. It has a significant bookmarking and highlighting reporting features. And FTK image is completely free, so we can use it easily. Now with the help of FTK images, I will be demonstrating the part B. Now let's move towards the part B. Now we can see here, it tells that create a notepad file on the USB, write your name and student number, delete the file from the USB. Now we're gonna create a file. Yeah, my this PC. Now this is my USB. Now I'm going to create a file, new file, that is rich text document. I will just rename it to 001, and I'm gonna add my student ID and my name. um, that is see. Now as I've created, I'll just save this one. Now we have to delete this one as told. Now I'm deleting this file. Now, yeah, I want to permanently delete this file. Yeah. Now I have deleted the file. Now I can close this one. Now it's telling us to create a forensic image file for the USB along with the description of each steps. Now to create a forensic image, we'll open the uh, FTK imager. Yeah. Now we're gonna create now let's go to the create disk image. Now yeah, it's a physical drive. Now next, and now this is my USB flash drive USB. Now I can click in this one. I just finished. Now it's telling us to add the image destination, so I'll just add it on a raw data. And now we have to fill the case number, evidence number, unique description, the name of the examination, and notes, whichever we want. Now I will put a case number like 01, evidence number also 01, unique description maybe USB, examiner is my name. Okay. Now notes, I'll just write it like examination. Now next, now image destination folder, we have to choose the destination folder. Now I'll just browse it on the desktop. I'll just make a new folder, which one is case 01. This one I'll click case 01. Yeah, okay. Now image file name, maybe I'll put USB. Now I'll put 01. That should be fine. Now I'll just finish. Now verify images after they are created. We have to verify the images after they are created. Yeah. Now I'll just start it. Now it has started to create an image. Now to create the image, it will take a little bit long time, so I'll just pause the recording, and whenever it's done, I'll just continue with that one. Now you can see the image has been successfully created, and now it shows all the details. It's like name 0.1, and like MD5 hash and SAH1 hash, and bad block list, and no bad block links found in the images. And now as it is already image has been already created, now I'll just close this one. Now I'll just close. Now when I go to the folder case 01, now the image has been created here. Now what we're gonna do is, now we'll just open this text file, and we can see all the details like case informations and case number, case evidence, which we have created before, unique description, USB, examiner name, and notes of the examination. We can all see the computed hashes, like hashes number here, and image information we can find it here, and a verification started date and a verification finish date. Now as a checksum, it is showing it's verified. We can see it here. Now let's move towards the FTK again. Now I'll just open the file, add evidence item. Now I'll just contents of the folder. Now I'll just insert the source path, which is case 01. Okay. Now I'll just finish it. Now I'll just expand it. Now as we can see, all the details are we can see all the details here, which we created the disk image. Now for hashing, I will just click all the documents to create a hash. We'll leave the text document. Now export file for hash list. Now we'll just create a hash list. Now in desktop, okay, I'll just create this one into the case 001. Okay, I'll just save it here. File name, I'll just hash key. Okay, I'll just save it. Now we'll just export the hashing file. It will take a little bit of time. Now our hashtag has been already done. Now I'll just see the folder case 101. Okay, now the hash key has been created in Excel file, which we can view it. As we can see, the details of the hash is in MD5 and SHA1. We can use this hash keys to verify the images. Now we can use this individually to verify, and this is how we have verified the hashes. Now again, let's move towards the FTK imager. Now I'll just close this one, remove evidence item. Now I'll just create again. Now add evidence item. Now this time we'll do for image file. Now enter a source path. Our source path is now I'll just see for this one. Maybe let's see for this one. I just finish it. Now I just add my partition, maybe in the root system. Okay, we can see the different files is here. In the root text files. Now I think this is the one. Look, now we have found that the one we have deleted. We can see it here. Now I'm just going to export this file. Just a second. Export file. Now I'll just export this one to desktop. I just export in our case one. Okay. The folder has been already exported, successfully exported. So I'll just go and check it. Yeah, assignment 1 is it has been here. Now I can view my student name and student ID, which I created before in my USB. Now this is how I have completed the part B. First, I have created the notepad on the USB file and write my name and USB. Then I have deleted the file from the USB, and I have created a forensic image file for the USB. And we have already validated. I have already shown how to validate with using the hash algorithm, and I have chosen the FTK imager for this process. And now again, I have used the FTK imagers to extract the deleted file from the image. Now this is how I have completed my assignment 1, part B and part A. Yeah, this is for my assignment. Thank you.